A vitamin which affects all the stages of life of a woman is vitamin D. Now, with change in time, vitamin D has become symbolic of a great Indian paradox. India is now a home to a growing epidemic of vitamin D deficiency. Indians get enough of sun but not sunshine vitamin. 94% Indians are vitamin D deficient. Time has changed, so is the requirement of vitamin D. It is important to know the facts. Sunscreen with SPF 15 reduces vitamin D synthesis by 99%. Obesity causes 50% less production of vitamin D. Aging reduces vitamin D synthesis by 75%. For the first time in India, Mayor Selage introduces the Sunshine Vitamin Ultra D3. Ultra D3 offers cholecalciferol 1000 international units. Ultra D3 is essential, simple, safe. Vitamin D plays various roles in women's life cycle. Vitamin D deficiency is highly prevalent during pregnancy, which is the most delicate phase of a woman's life. 84% urban and 83% rural pregnant women are vitamin D deficient. Maternal vitamin D concentration less than 37.5 nanomole per ml during early pregnancy increases the risk of developing preeclampsia by 5-folds. Supplementation of vitamin D leads to 27% reduction in the risk of preeclampsia. Each 5 nanogram per ml decreased concentration of vitamin D was associated with 29% increase in the risk of developing gestational diabetes mellitus. 65% higher prevalence of bacterial vaginosis has been observed with vitamin D concentration less than 20 nanomole per ml. Low vitamin D levels in postmenopausal women causes high joint pain. 74% menopausal women experience joint pain with low levels of vitamin D. Vitamin D reduces the risk of falls by 19% and risk of hip fractures by 18% and risk of any non-vertebral fractures by 20%. Low vitamin D levels are associated with multiple adverse health outcomes in all stages of women's life. A pattern is emerging where higher doses of vitamin D have greater effects on regulatory molecules of the immune system. Scientists call for global policy change on vitamin D. Vigilance of one's vitamin D status by the yearly measurement of 25-hydroxy-vitamin D should be a part of annual physical examination. 1000 international units vitamin D is required to achieve 30 nanogram per ml concentration. So now, it's time to prescribe Ultra D3, a brand with preferred form of cholecalciferol 1000 international units. Introduced in India by Selage, a division of Mayor Organics.